Hello and welcome. We're going to go through the best affiliate programs that actually work in 2021. Now, you're probably wondering how to find these things and you don't know where to look. Well, we're going to help you with that tonight. So listen to the stuff we've got coming up, and then at the very end, I'm going to show you the best cream of the crop that is currently on offer. Now, I'm going to go through these one by one. There's some great sites. Clickbank is one of the more well-known ones. You've also got JVZoo, you've got Digistore24, Warrior Plus, and also you've got Groove Digital. Now, at the moment, Groove are doing a fantastic deal. They have a free page builder, and they also have a platinum plan which gives you the full suite of products. Now, if someone upgrades to that, you get 40% of that purchase. At the moment, it's going for $19.97. So this is a high ticket item. So if someone goes for that, you get just shy of $1,000 US, which is pretty amazing. Now, this deal is only available until December 10th. So you're going to have to hurry if it's December 10th, 2021. So if you missed the boat and you're watching this video late, sorry about that one, but I'll let you know when the next amazing deal comes up. But if you go with this one, I'll leave a link down in the comments on how you can sign up as an affiliate for this product and start promoting it straight away and start making some serious cash. Now, what I'd also like to do is get you guys to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get the upcoming products. And leave a comment down below if you are currently struggling with affiliate marketing and you don't know where to turn, or share one of your stories about the struggle you're currently going through at the moment, or one of your successes. We'd love to hear about it. And if you haven't watched the previous clip about the best alternatives to Amazon affiliate and FBA in 2021, I'd highly recommend checking that out. And in the next clip, we're going to go through some other amazing tips and tricks. So stick around. Thanks.